Hello and welcome. My name is David Isamoje. Thank you for joining me on this video. Yes, my channel is all about making designs for print on demand. So if this is something you're interested, please make sure you watch to the end. Please don't click off if you're here to make t-shirt designs that sell, t-shirt designs for Redbubble, Teepublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, any print on demand site at all you can think of. My channel is based on creating these designs you can sell, and I'm giving the guarantee this design sell. So without wasting much of your time, I want to make this video as short as possible, super short. So I'm going to go straight right into it. I'm going to be using Photoshop for this one, so I'll just click on my Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC. If you're just joining for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. If your subscribe button is still red, please make sure you hit it, let it turn gray. Subscribe, support me while I show you how to design this graphics easily 5-10 minutes. We're done. Please don't click off. I will advise you to watch to the end, and we'll be done in no time. Designing this shirt. So please make sure you watch me through. So I'll go to File, New. The standard is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard I use. It works for Match by Amazon. Some people use 5000 by 5500. It's all fine, but this is the standard I use. So I'll just click pixel. Don't forget that. So I'll just click on OK. So now we'll unlock this layer. Double tap on this padlock. Pap. Press OK. Then now you click on this circle. Now we are ready to design. So for this design, we are focusing on the dog niche. You know those niche are super important. On Friday, I'm going to make one for the cat niche, but for this one, it's going to be focused on the dog niche. So it's a simple design, easy to promote. Just make it, but everybody loves dog. We 99% of the world love dog. We have dogs as our pets, so you are rest assured this design is going to sell. You can promote it easily. So without wasting much of your time, we're going to go straight right to it. So I'm going to go into text. This T you see here, you click on it, change this color. So for this, let's make it totally black. You can change that later on, but I would like to have a black shade for it, so I will make that. I'll make it let me just pick a different color. So we'll just work with this. So for this one, we increase the font. You can see this double T, you just increase the font. Let's make it 72. So for this, it's gonna say dog. So just make this bigger. Okay, just click on OK. Position this right in the middle. Then you do Ctrl T on your keyboard, so it highlights it like this. So you over your mouse to this head, and you press down 3 buttons: your Shift, your Alt key button, your Shift key button, your left mouse key button. Then you drag your mouse outwards. When you drag your mouse outward from your left hand or from your right hand, depending, to make it bigger. So now we'll have this. So we'll just position it somewhere like this. So now we'll have that. So the next step is to press enter. So we'll have it. So it's going to be, we want to copy this one, copy this side. So what we'll just do is move our mouse or cursor over this, and you press your Alt key button and your left mouse click button, and you drag down. That's to duplicate. So now we've duplicated that. So now what are we going to do next? It's simple. We'll just change this. This is supposed to read. So we'll just Ctrl A, then do mom. It's supposed to read mom. Sorry. It's supposed to read mom, but instead of the U or O, depending, some people do mom, some people do it like this. So instead of the O, we're just gonna click and just press your space bar, get, so that you are left with just the dog and the double M. So now you press enter, and now you go and download your elements. I already have my elements, so you go to pictures. Mine's in download, so just look for dog. So you see this is the dog element I already have, so I'll just bring it into my design, make it smaller. So to make it smaller is simple. Remember the way I told you how to increase, where you increase the dog. You over your mouse to this edge, and you press down 3 buttons: your Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click button, and you drag inwards to reduce. So now we have that. We just try to position it like that. Press enter. So now we're just left with the M, then you see the circle is acting like the other O, so we can leave it like this, or we can also do something. You just double tap here and add stroke to the element. So where it says stroke, you can just click on that and add stroke to it. So if we want to add stroke to it, you can see, you just make sure the color matches the font color. Then we can increase it from here where it says 6, you just increase it just like that, and you can just press OK. So now that we have that, we'll just group this with this other one. So to do that, you click on your dog, pressing down on your Alt key, your Control key button, you click on the M and the dog, then you do your Control G. So now that we've done that, we're going to do Control T again. Now we have all this selected together, and we'll just increase it a bit. So just drag outwards to increase it. So now we have that. Why I'm increasing it, so that when you transfer it to your design, it's going to come out high quality. You get me? So now we're done with that. So we just put up the background. So the background now is off. So what we just do is come to File, Save As. We want to save it as Dog Mom. So now we just save that as Dog Mom. Save it as PNG because we don't want the white background, so you save it as PNG. You don't want the white background, so you can put it on different colors of shirts. You save it as PNG, you press OK, and press OK again. If you check, it's just taking us about 5 minutes. I've not checked the time, but I'll check the time now, and you see it's just taking us about 6 minutes to get this done. It's not super complicated, it's not super hard, it's super easy. Your design should never be complicated. Super easy designs, and you're good to go. So now you can just take this your design. If you go to pictures now, go to pictures, and I do Dog Mom. I just do Dog Mom. I should see, this is my design. My design is ready for me. Simple design, it sells, people love it. Your targets are dog lovers, mothers. It's super easy. Puppy lovers. It's a super easy design. You can buy it as a gift for anyone and just promote it. You promote it on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, to your right you see my playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists if you want to learn properly, learn more, increase your skill. And I will see you on Friday's video. Make sure you don't miss Friday's video. It's going to be about the cat niche, and I'll see you there. Stay blessed. One love.